To do a single crochet stitch, put your hook into the next hole. So it should look like you have 3 strands of yarn on your hook. Your hook should be in front of the working yarn and the tip of the hook facing you. Next, do a yarn over. Bring the hook down below and behind the working yarn so that the hook is grabbing onto that yarn. Then pull that yarn through just the first 2 loops on your hook. The moment you pull the working yarn through those 2 loops, push your hook off to your yarn hand to secure your new loop on your hook. So you should have 2 loops on your hook right now. Now the hook should still be in front of the working yarn, tip of the hook facing you. We're going to yarn over again. So bring the hook down below and behind the working yarn. And now pull that yarn through both loops on the hook this time. So you're left with only 1 loop on the hook. And that is a single crochet stitch.